This is so sad. Look what every country is doing right now. They are deforestation. They're logging everything out from the... Look, it's both sides. Look at how much trees they cut down. Look at the amount of trees they cut down over here. People are so cruel, you know. They are so greedy, and their wants is limitless, endless. Look at that. I'm not supposed to be here right now. I just happened to stumble across this. Look, it's not just in Brazil, it's in Turkey too. It's so sad, isn't it? They just keep cutting down all the trees and everything.